This is a light and aromatic dish, Lemony Dill Salmon with Albert Bartlett Jersey Royal potatoes. Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees centigrade, gas mark 6. Parboil the Jersey Royal potatoes for 5 minutes, then drain and set aside. Now get your baking tray and add the broccoli, the courgettes and your sliced potatoes. Drizzle over the olive oil, and I like to squeeze lots of lemon instead of using salt. Use your hands to make sure the vegetables are all covered in the oil and lemon juice. And pop this in the oven for the first 10 minutes. After 10 minutes cooking, take out and shake the vegetables around. Next, pop the salmon fillet on top and sprinkle with the pine nuts, the dill and some black pepper. This goes back into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until the salmon is cooked through. You can then garnish with extra dill and the remaining lemon wedges to squeeze over if you like.